this formula, it calculates the exchange rate between two currencies beginning in the year 1991. And so X represents the year, and D, or D of X, that represents what that exchange rate was between those two currencies. Well, if you look at the equation, it is a quadratic equation. In other words, if you graph this thing, it's going to be a parabola that opens up. And so what we're being asked to do is figure out in what year was the exchange rate at a minimum. So at that point on a parabola, that's the vertex of the parabola, and what we're wanting to know is, well, what is the x value and the y value of the vertex? And the formula that we use to find the vertex of a parabola is negative b over 2a. Well, in this case, b is negative 0.037 and a is 0.006. So if we go in and we just plug those values in for b and for a, and we calculate that on our calculator, we're going to get about 3 years, and we're told that we can go ahead and just round it to the nearest year. So 3 years, if we add that on to 1999, because that's when that's what this equation reflects, that would be in the year 2002 was when the exchange rate was at a minimum. All right, well, what was that exchange rate? Well, if we take that value 3 that we just found and plug that into the function, substitute everywhere you see an x, just substitute a 3 in there, you're going to find that the exchange rate was 0.875.